So now members, as I told you, we are going to topic 2, but always now topic 2 is working with the integers. So you look at the competence to set the syllabus, the activity. The competence here is the learner carries out calculations with positive and negative integers. So that's what we are going to handle now. So the topic, there are many learning outcomes here, but as I told you that one activity of integration in some topics cannot exhaust all the learning outcomes. So that's why sometimes it's better you give more than one activity of integration to exhaust all the learning outcomes. So as you can see the question, I told you that to see the question of topic 2, there are many, but I just picked out one, this one, but there are many activities of integration you can set from this topic. So this one specifically was, the task was help the school engineer by calculating the large size X of the square tile that can be used and the number of tiles needed to cover the cost. So now they want us, they have a room. The room is, so they have a room. So this is our room. It's measuring 540 centimeters by 420 centimeters. Now they want us to get square tiles that we can fit in here without any cutting. So that one is calling for the application of HCF of this and this. They're the ones that are going to fit in here. So now there, remember how we get the HCF for these ones. So from there, someone can say the common one that we always use. So here I'm going to say, I'm going to be having, so that anyway, 10 is common, but anyway, you can say 420, then 540. So then you say by 2, you see here we are going to be having 210. By 2 there, here we are going to be having 270. By 2, you are going to be having, by 2 here, you are going to be having 105. Then by 2 here, you are going to be having 135. Then still is that there is no any, 2 can't divide the next prime, because we said you based on prime numbers to get the LCM and then SCF. So see that the 2 divides here and divides here. So meaning that the 2 can't divide these 2. So we move to the next prime number, which is the 3. So 3 can divide this and 3 also can divide this. So you say by 3 we get 35. What here? By 3 you get 45. Then you ask yourself, can F3 divide these 2 again? So that 3 cannot divide this. So that means that I'm going to push to a 5. So here I say now by 5, here I get 7, by 5 here I get 9. Remember, when we are getting the highest common factor, this figure we are using, the factor we're using should be able to divide both. That's why I'm not here, I'm not using the, I'm not going forward, because there is no any number that can divide 7 and 9 except a 1. So now meaning I come here and I say now that's where my division is ending when I'm looking for the HCF. So now I come and say now my HCF will be 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. This is 15 times 2, that is 30, times 2, that is 60. So 60 centimeters. So meaning now our square tile, you come and respond. So the length of the largest square tile is 60 centimeters. So that means that we need a tile but of 60 centimeters. Then they went ahead to ask us the number of tiles. Now to get the number of tiles, there are 2 ways. To get a number of tiles, you can now come and say number of tiles. Remember, here we get the area of the room we have, which is 540 times 420 over the area of the square. Note that the area of the square is s squared. So we get now the 60 times the 60. Of course, you see this 0 will go with this. This 0 will go with that. So that means that here we have, you can start slow, you can go slow, or you can just pump in your calculator, then it's the division. But if you want to go slow, you can say by this 2 you get what? 27. By this 2 you get 3. By this 3 you get 1. By this 3 you get 9. So there we have 9 when I get this and this. Then you can also go slow here. If you don't have a calculator, you say by 2 here 3, by 2 here 21, by 3, then by 3 to get what? A 7. So then you multiply 9 times a 7. Okay, so now okay, so 9 times 7, 9 times 7 we get our 63. So these are the tiles we want. Then after getting the tiles, they want how much we are going to incur. But notice that the tile of X size is costing 5,250. So one tile costs 5,250. What about the 63? So the 63 tiles will be now 63 times 5,250. And then here can give now in shillings, which when I get here, when I get, it's going to cost 3,750. So we are going to add 330,750 as the cost for the whole project. So that's how we handle that activity from. But I told you there are many you can set from here. Okay.